Welcome to our guide on passive income in 2024. The concept of passive income is not new, but its importance has grown significantly in today's financial landscape. With the instability of traditional job markets and the rise of the gig economy, securing a reliable source of passive income is more crucial than ever. It not only provides financial security, but also offers the freedom to pursue personal interests and goals without the constant worry about money. Passive income, by definition, is earnings derived from a rental property, limited partnership, or other enterprise in which a person is not actively involved. As we move further into the digital age, the avenues to generate passive income have diversified immensely. This could mean less hands-on involvement and potentially higher returns for those who are well-informed. However, not all passive income strategies are created equal. It's important to understand where to start and which streams are most viable in 2024. This guide aims to delve into various passive income streams, providing a clear pathway for anyone looking to build their wealth passively. By the end of this section, you should have a solid understanding of why passive income could be a key component of your financial strategy. Looking ahead, the next sections will explore different types of passive income streams, such as investments, real estate, and online businesses, each accompanied by a step-by-step guide on how to get started. Keep reading to transform your financial future through passive income. In 2024, the most popular passive income streams include investments, real estate, and online businesses. Each of these streams holds unique benefits and caters to different levels of engagement and expertise. Investments might involve stocks, bonds, or dividend-yielding assets, which generally require less day-to-day management but a good understanding of the market. Real estate continues to be a favorite for many passive income earners. Whether it's renting out properties or investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, this stream offers the potential for significant returns, along with some unique tax advantages. Real estate can be more hands-on compared to other investments unless you opt for management services that handle day-to-day operations. On the digital front, online businesses are soaring. Whether it's through affiliate marketing, e-commerce, or digital products, the internet has lowered the barriers to entry for many entrepreneurs. This type of business allows for greater flexibility and accessibility, opening up a global market. However, the digital landscape is also highly competitive and requires keeping up with the latest technologies and market trends. Each of these streams offers a different mix of risk, involvement, and potential return. Understanding these differences is crucial to deciding which path might be the best for your individual circumstances and financial goals. The next sections will provide a detailed guide on how to start each of these passive income streams effectively. Investing in the stock market or other financial instruments can be a powerful way to generate passive income, especially in 2024. The first step is to educate yourself about the different types of investments: stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and more. Resources are abundant, from online courses to investment books, which can provide a solid foundation of knowledge. The second step involves setting up your investment accounts. This could mean opening a brokerage account, a retirement account like an IRA, or both. It's important to compare different platforms to ensure they meet your needs in terms of fees, accessibility, and investment options. Many platforms now offer automated tools and advisors to help streamline the process. Next, it's crucial to develop an investment strategy. This might involve deciding on a mix of stocks and bonds, considering your age, financial goals, and risk tolerance. Diversification is key to mitigating risk while aiming for a steady return. Automated investing services, often referred to as robo-advisors, can help manage your investments based on your personal preferences and market conditions. Finally, maintain your investments by monitoring and adjusting them as needed. The market can be unpredictable, and your personal circumstances may change, requiring adjustments to your investment portfolio. Regular reviews will help ensure your investments are on track to meet your financial goals, making this passive income stream both viable and potentially lucrative in 2024. Continuing next, we will look into real estate as another promising avenue for building passive income. Real estate investment can be one of the most lucrative forms of passive income when done correctly. The first step is to gain a thorough understanding of the real estate market. This involves researching different types of properties, market trends, and the fundamentals of real estate investing. Educating yourself through books, seminars, and online courses can be immensely helpful. The second step is to secure financing for your real estate investments. This might involve traditional mortgages, home equity loans, or even partnering with other investors to pool resources. Understanding the different financing options and their implications is crucial to making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Once financing is in place, the third step is to acquire a property. Whether it's a rental property, a commercial real estate investment, or a fix and flip project, choosing the right property in the right location is key. Consider factors such as property condition, location desirability, and potential for appreciation or rental income. The final step involves managing the property. This could either be done personally, which would involve a more hands-on approach, or through a property management company, which can handle day-to-day operations and tenant relations for a fee. Effective property management is critical to maintaining the value of your investment and ensuring it generates steady passive income. Next, we will explore how to establish an online business as a source of passive income. Starting an online business in 2024 can be an exciting venture. Choose a niche you are passionate about and that has demand. Use tools like Google Trends and social media for market research. Create a business plan outlining your model, strategy, and revenue streams. Build a website or platform for customer interaction. Ensure your website is user-friendly and optimized for search engines. Automate and scale up as your business grows. Automation helps manage increased volume and ensures minimal day-to-day involvement. Follow these steps to establish a successful online business generating passive income. As we delve into the pros and cons of various passive income streams, it's important to understand that each option comes with its own set of advantages and challenges. For instance, real estate investments can provide stable cash flow, but require significant upfront capital and ongoing management. Dividend stocks can offer regular income and potential for capital growth, but market volatility can affect returns. Online businesses, as we discussed, can be highly scalable and have low startup costs, but they also face stiff competition and require continuous marketing efforts. Understanding these nuances will help you choose the right passive income stream that fits your financial goals and risk tolerance. Let's take inspiration from some success stories of passive income entrepreneurs. These individuals started with a vision and gradually built their ventures into substantial income sources. From bloggers who monetized their passion for writing through affiliate marketing and sponsored content, to real estate investors who leveraged property management services to turn their investments into hands-off operations, these stories highlight the diverse ways people can achieve financial independence through passive income. Their journeys underscore the importance of persistence, strategic planning, and sometimes a bit of luck. When venturing into passive income, it's crucial to stay vigilant and informed. Be wary of offers that seem too good to be true, and always do your due diligence before committing to any investment. By harnessing the power of passive income, you're not just earning money, you're also securing your financial future. Remember, the key is to make your money work for you, even while you sleep. Now let's address some frequently asked questions. Many wonder how much initial investment is needed or how long it takes to see returns. These are great questions, and the answer varies depending on the type of passive income stream you choose. For those eager to learn more, there are numerous books, websites, and forums dedicated to passive income. These resources can provide you with deeper insights and help you make informed decisions on your journey to financial freedom.